New at 6, a disturbing case involving underage girls in Wentzville. A St. Charles County grand jury just indicted a 20-year-old man on sex crimes involving girls younger than 15 years old. 5 on your side's Ray Strickland has been investigating this case all day, and he's in St. Charles with the very latest information.
It's a sickening case that stunned the Wentzville community. Prosecutors here just released charging documents today. I have them on my phone here, and they reveal some disturbing details. They say 20-year-old Dylan Henderson is now accused of sex crimes involving at least 5 underage girls, 4 of them as young as 14.
In February, Dylan Henderson was arrested and charged for lying about his age online to have sex with minors. Prosecutors say his victims were younger than 14 and 15. Now we've learned a grand jury indicted him on 13 felony counts, including statutory sodomy and child molestation. The charging documents reveal sex crimes against 5 underage girls dating back to 2016. On 2 separate occasions, prosecutors say Henderson had oral sex with 2 girls, 1 younger than 14. The latest accusations say he exposed himself to 3 different minors and touched one of their genitals. He's also charged with a felony for trying to force a girl into his car. Neighbors of Dylan Henderson say the allegations against him are shocking. They say he was from a good home, raised by a good family in this Wentzville neighborhood. However, neighbors tell us he was a bit of a troublemaker, hanging out with the wrong people, but they still can't believe he's being accused of such heinous crimes.
We tried to reach out to Henderson's parents, but we were unsuccessful. As for Henderson, he's due back in court on May 21st. Reporting in St. Charles County, Ray Strickland, 5 on your side.